vertical profit and loss reports. So what kind of an insight do we get from a profit and loss report? That's the first question that I'll be looking into. And in our new profit and loss report, you can gain deeper insights into your financial growth, right? With our vertical profit and loss report, it's different to what we had. Compare your monthly and yearly performance side by side and make informed decisions to drive your business forward, right? So you can visualize the progress, right, with intuitive data, then yearly versus monthly, and you can take, comparisons on your performances, and you can take actionable insights on that as well. So let's get started. We are in the dashboard of our software. Now, where can we go first? We'll be first of all going into the report section to show you this. In the reporting section, in the accounts section, you can see a list of reports. Right now, we'll be concentrating into two reports, that is a horizontal profit and loss and the all new profit and loss report. So you'll be wondering what happened to our previous profit and loss report. So we have renamed it into horizontal profit and loss report. So just like what the name suggests, it's a horizontal profit and loss report. You can see it side by side. See the expenses, the opening stock will be here, and all the details associated with purchase accounts, direct expenses, then gross profit value. Then on the right, you can see the income section with the sales account, the direct income, and the closing stock, right? And finally, at the very bottom, you'll be able to see the total also of your profit. This happens. Now, I want all of you to take a closer look into which all are the different filters that we have in our previous profit and loss report or the all new horizontal profit and loss report. You can see the date filter is here as usual. You can, if we have cost centers, you can filter it based on cost centers. Then we have branching, right? Filter by branch name or filter by tax number is also available here. Then we have the export section where we can export it into Excel or PDF, and the filter button. So this is the horizontal profit and loss report. Now, what about the new profit and loss report? This is a vertical profit and loss report. See, the income is here and the expense is here. Then we have the gross profit and finally the net profit. Now, the speciality. If we compare this report's interface or the view with the previous profit and loss report or our present horizontal profit and loss report, you can see that there is a date filter. Then we have cost center. Then we have the compare with. So with what do we compare with? That's a question. So that's one thing that we'll be exploring today. So that is all about our previous horizontal profit and loss report. Now let's discuss about our new profit and loss report and how can we compare with, or with what we can compare with. So you can see Krishna's Music Fever is my workspace name or my organization's name. And I have two branches. So I'm just selecting the first branch and I want to know the profit and loss. So this is a profit and loss for for the last month. I mean, for the last 30 days, I would say. So for this physical, I can filter it out like this, right? Now imagine this company got started in the month of previous August. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the date filter as this physical, and I need to compare each and every month's performance. How can we do that? Can I get the details of my profit and loss of every month? Yes, I can do that. All I have to do is come to this compare with filter, go to months, and you can see I can select for how much months. I need to compare it for each and every month. And if I select one here and I filter it out, you can see that in India, the fiscal year starts from April and ends in the month of March. So you can see the dates here, 1st of April to 31st of March for each and every month's sales returns, then closing stock, direct incomes, each and every ledger detail has been presented here. So you will be able to compare it for each and every month. That is a specialty. See, for April 2023, it is present. And then for August, for September. Now, this is just a demo workspace. So you could see some discrepancy in the numbers. It's not just discrepancy, so it's a way in which it will be arranged, but you can see you will be able to compare it like this. That is a specialty. Now imagine if this particular company got started in the month of 2021, the 1st of April 2020 month, and 2024, this is 2023 for the month of November, I would say 15. So as you all know that we will be able to edit the dates like this. I'm keeping it like this and I'm keeping a filter. So from 2021 April onwards, you can see the list of months and all the ledger accounts and details associated with it will be shown here. Now you see a specialty here. It's all about months, and when I kept it just up to 15th of November, it is showing 1st of November to 15th of November. That is a specialty. And if I want to compare it for years, for all the years, I can filter it out. And 1st of April 2021 to 31st of December 2021. Then for 2022, it has been shown. So it is not shown for physical years, but it's shown for that particular year. That is the way in which this particular filter will be working. That you have to be quite sure about this. Now I'm going to do something. I'm going to keep it this physical, and I'm going to compare it with 3 months, a quarter. How can I get the result? Yes, the first quarter, the second quarter, the third quarter, and the fourth quarter. In such a manner, we'll be able to get the details of all the ledgers, the accounts. Now, what can we do next? What can we? Yes, I'll do another thing. I'll keep a custom date like 5th of April and see what happens. And you see the first quarter is right now being shown from 5th of April to 30th of June 2023. So if I start my date from some random day, the system will not be, or the software will not be fetching the data from 1st of that particular month, but from which custom date you have set it in. So that is a specialty. All right. So that is the way in which this particular filter works. And the next thing is you can filter it in different manners. You have the export button. You will be able to export all these data into Excel and PDF. So let me just download it right now in Excel. And here it is. You will be able to find out all the values like this. So that is a specialty. You will be able to get the complete output in such a manner. From 5th of April, you can see the July to September quarter, October to December quarter, and January to March quarter of 2024. So in an Excel manner also, you will be able to get the output. So that was all about the first update. And I hope that this was clear to each and every one of you. It's a very prominent update that we have brought in to our reporting section. It's a new profit and loss report.